The call came out that a guy in a black Mazda hit her and now she's crying.
Okay, I don't
That's
know.
me.
Yeah? Hit her with the car?
Yes, I was with the car. Yes.
Okay, so when they say you hit her, maybe it was a collision? Hit her.
Yes.
Why?
Because she was covering my face up when I was driving, and I was scared, and I just said, get
Okay,
away
so
from
she's
me.
a friend of yours or something?
She's my wife. Yes.
Okay.
We were having an argument in the car.
What is wrong with her right now?
She had the wind knocked out of her, and when I kind of threw her hand off me, and
Okay.
she was covering my face up, and I was scared we were going to get in a wreck.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, well we're gonna get to the bottom of it.
Sure.
You have an ID I could look at?
Yeah, I do.
Ma'am, are you okay? Do you need medics? Okay, all right.
One of the things that kind of precipitated it is she, right before she started calling me, she grabbed a water bottle and poured it all over me. Well, the back of the shirt soaked, and so was the seat. And so he did get water poured on him. That would kind of give the logical chain of events that she was in the process of doing something, and it almost tilted towards her, maybe? What do you think?
She's initially tells me that he's sick, that he's been hit in the head too much, that he's seen psychiatrists, they're working on his meds.
Well, there's obviously a lot of stuff, and he's even said there on KHQ and came out and said, yeah, he's been treated for a lot of things as a result of the traumas from the impacts.
Mr. Rippon, I am in a terrible spot here, and that this falls under domestic violence, and I'm required to figure out how who the primary aggressor is.
Right.
In this, I know we've got an alleged the assault in the car, the hitting and the slapping. I don't have any evidence of that.
Right.
Maybe a little bit of a wet seat. I've got you saying that you hit her in the stomach, her saying no, none of that ever happened. But I've also got a witness saying that you said you hit her in the stomach. Given that, sir, I do not have any choice but to place you under arrest for domestic violence assault.
Okay.
You turn around, put your hands behind your back, sir.
Take this man to jail, you're hurting the whole community. He raises money for cancer and it will hurt his reputation in a way he can't come back from, and I'm begging you.
Do you know who I have? No. It's reference who I have. So I can just get a sergeant out here. I don't know how they want to do this. So pretty high profile person. Mark Rippon. Mark Rippon. Yeah. So I don't know if we want to, I'd just like to run it by.
There's nobody in with me right now.
I'd like to run it by your supervisor and give them the heads up. So I don't know how he wants to handle it.